Well, California lawmakers are back in Sacramento for their final month to pass new laws this year. And here's a live look at the Capitol.
Let's go to KCRA 3's Ashley Zavala live at the Capitol right now. Following some breaking news, Ashley, and that breaking news, the governor declaring a state of emergency to support the state's response to monkeypox, right?
Golston, that's absolutely right. Governor Gavin Newsom just within the last few minutes declaring that state of emergency on this first day back for California lawmakers in Sacramento. A group of lawmakers today, upon arriving here, actually requested a formal submission for the use of tens of millions of dollars in emergency funds for the state's response to monkeypox.
All members voted desire to vote.
California lawmakers back at the state capitol for their final month-long policy push. As monkeypox cases climb across the state, some lawmakers made an emergency request as soon as they arrived in Sacramento.
We need to treat this like a statewide emergency because it is.
State Senator Scott Wiener and a group of lawmakers Monday urged legislative leaders to approve $38.5 million in emergency funds to help counties boost access to testing, vaccines, plus education and outreach. The majority of the state's cases are in San Francisco and Los Angeles.
This absolutely is a statewide issue, and although San Francisco and LA are the epicenter now, more so San Francisco, but both counties, we're seeing increased cases in other counties as well, and those other counties don't have the same public health infrastructure that San Francisco and LA have, or the same resources. And so for those other counties, even a smaller number of cases can be really problematic.
This bill continues.
The request comes on top of hundreds of other proposals state lawmakers have 4 weeks to sift through. Demonstrators welcomed lawmakers back outside of their office building. The California Carpenters Union demanding lawmakers pass a bill that would increase affordable housing in the state. Several Democrats support the measure.
Unfortunately, I think in this legislative session, we just haven't really seen the kind of changes that are needed.
H.R. 113.
Republicans like Assembly Republican leader James Gallagher say they want to spend the last month tackling the state's affordability and public safety issues.
We're going to keep, pushing and trying to push for, real reforms on all of those issues to lower your costs, to keep your community safe, and to get some real solutions on homelessness. But it's going to be a fight.
Fight in the legislature, but again, just back to this monkeypox declaration state of emergency that Governor Gavin Newsom just issued that we're learning more about. The governor says essentially the state's response to monkeypox builds on the infrastructure developed during the COVID-19 pandemic to deploy vaccines and testing and other resources across the state. Reporting live at the state capitol, Ashley Zavala, KCRA 3 News.
Yeah, we'll keep on that throughout the night. Ashley, thank you.